I'm Haley Cooprider, the Elementary Literacy Coordinator for Wight County Schools, back with another Coop's Quick Clips. You may have noticed that we have no more Waterford for K2 and no more Freckle reading for 3 through 5. Instead, we have Lexia Core 5. Lexia Core 5 is an interactive online program designed for students in K through 5th grade. It helps students master foundational reading skills through constant assessment that will support reading success. Students spend about 15 minutes per day working through the program that is specifically designed and adapts to their learning needs. While devices are no longer going home, your student can still access Lexia Core 5 from home in Clever. The link is in the description box below to Clever. Then your student would log into Clever just like they would at school. If you need specific login information, please reach out to your child's teacher. Thanks for watching. Keep on reading.